Go long like Chia, money go low like Nia. I ain't a big idea. My twins big like Tia. My twins big like.
Okay, vlog. I'm at the gym with Nye or whatever. Trying to get this ass.
All you gotta do is say yes. Nothing on what you feel, baby, that's rest. You ain't open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me soon. All you gotta do.
How you really get the tension stress out of your leg? You want to go ahead and stretch the leg. You gotta feel that. Okay, I'll meet you over here. Okay. Going to the Smith machine. She wants to really go to the Smith machine and do that. So. And I really should start taking the gym seriously, y'all, but niggas just would be in here staring at my titties and stuff. I don't know about that. Sorry, no. I think it's cute. This look like a sex machine. What you got me about to get away? We getting on a sex machine.
I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that chance.
You're so cute. Y'all, we outside. We need to go to a party. We need to ask somebody where. Yes, with the food in the bag. Y'all, she wildin'. With everything. This background is cute. That's good. I can't wait to try this pizza. It looks so good. I didn't want to get soda. I was like, I got a water. That was a healthy swap. That was a wise decision. Put some lip gloss on. Y'all, we're leaving the pizza place right now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, I think it's about to rain. How much these sprinkles? That's crazy because I really don't. I don't feel about it. Y'all, we can't be in the store for ice.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me.
baby. Oh, baby. I'm so scared that you'll hurt me. So I got him afraid. Wait. Don't be afraid. Of the sky and blue is mine. Yes, she's blue and mine. The rest of his life. Some kind of danger. Hi guys, I'm at the next place. I got orange chicken and rice, a pomegranate pineapple lemonade. This is so good. Like, I was gonna get the crab burgers, but I'm like, that's doing too much. Stay, you know. And this was like $3, which is reasonable. Well, for a drink, that's like a special drink. So, right now it's Tuesday. Y'all know Tuesdays belong to me. Tuesdays belong to me. This was my day off where I just do what I do and have a good time. And just like focus on myself. And that got kind of ruined because I had to babysit on like I babysitted on Sunday, and then I spontaneously babysitted, as in it was not planned. Nobody told me nothing. But I was like, whatever, let me just go ahead. Especially since I'm like I'm already here. I babysitted yesterday. But what that did was the people that I had scheduled for Monday to do clients for, because you guys know I still do tarot readings for the time being, yes. And I'm trying to like I have to update my website and stuff again, like, because the sale is over. I just want to formulate new prices and just the site design, and I was gonna do all of that today. I was really gonna go to Keene, but I'm like, I don't know, something is telling me like to go downtown today, to go to Rutgers, because I also go to that university to do some of my work. So what ended up happening was, so yeah, the Monday clients, I cannot babysit a toddler and do somebody's reading. Like, that's just not realistic. Like, it doesn't matter if you're in a high chair eating. I just feel like I gotta keep my eyes on him. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna reschedule everybody. Some people for Tuesday, but also Square had a glitch. This is some Mercury retrograde shit, y'all. Square had a glitch in the system. So I closed Monday off, but people are still booking Monday. What are y'all doing? Like, and so I got all these appointments piling up on Monday. It's so crazy. And then like everybody's hitting me right like, hey, where's my meeting? I mean, I did. So what I did when I rescheduled everybody's appointment, there's a note that you have, but now I'm learning that that's probably not as effective, because the note that I left is like nobody sees the note of this is why I put the reason why the appointment is being updated and sent it off. And I got like 5 people reaching out to me this morning. And I'm just like, y'all, I'm not going to forget your reading and not do it and not submit it to you. Like, that's just never been me. But I understand people too, because it's like you paid for something, you want to get it, you're eager to know because it is a reading. But I'm telling y'all, like, I'm professional, blah, blah, blah. But I'm just like, I can't let nobody rush me. Like, I'm not gonna get it done the way you want it to. if I just drop everything and feel like right now I'm like I gotta get something to eat and feed my soul, my body, and my energy, and then I'm about to go do the readings and check in, which I'm excited for. Like I'm excited to get back into like me and things that I've been doing and things that I've been working on. Monday is really supposed to be like it's a day I still accept appointments, but it's like an organized day. And then Tuesdays is like me day. I still get work done, but it's like light load. Today is not even light load. It's giving. I gotta do everybody appointment, which is fine. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be a breeze. But if I just let it cram on me, like, oh my god, I gotta do all this stupid stuff. Like nobody's rushing me. I used to be that way, where I felt like when I first started, I remember I didn't even have Square. I used to be just taking the appointments down and writing in my notes when I had people. I used to be getting people stuff out so fast. I was just like, oh my god, you know, I'm gonna hurry up and get their reading in. But I'm telling y'all, it's not like me being like, oh, y'all could wait, but it's more so like putting my health first, putting my wellness first, and then putting it first that you want to have something quality and done in my best energy. You should want to wait for your reading. But and not too long. I've never had nobody waiting for their reading. Like days went by and I just ain't never given them a reading. I never skip nobody or have it be where they just didn't get their stuff. Like I have readings being accurate. Sometimes I was at fault for that because I was like, that's when I was rushing. That's when I was rushing. It probably was also, they'll update me and let me know like this is accurate, but it's not the person. Sometimes energies can switch up and then like I have to do it in a different day. Like I remember one time 2 clients let me know that I picked up their ex energy. Amazon. Yeah. I don't know, it's about like $10. Yeah. Yeah, 2 clients had let me know that I picked up their ex energy. And I'm like, alright, let me just do it over. These are things that happen like once in a blue moon. Like usually my readings are fulfilling, they're accurate, they're good, but like I do make errors, I do make mistakes. I do be late sometimes. Sometimes my connection be horrible, so it's like that's when hours are going by and it's like, damn, it's like that's the behind the scenes. Like y'all don't be seeing the things I be having to go through. Like my connection be ass sometimes. And I have to do my best to get the job done and also not stress myself out. And the best thing for me today was, okay, I know I had these appointments. I know I felt that people were gonna reach out. Cause I would too. Like a day go by, like girl, with my appointment. But I promise you, I do not beat up on me. My stomach has also been hurting a little bit. I don't know what I ate. I was snacking a lot yesterday. I can't. I don't know when I'm babysitting. Like I just be snacking away. But I gotta work on that, or at least get some healthy snacks, cause I think that's what has my stomach. It's like cramping. It's not like period cramps. It's like stomach cramps. And I did boo-boo this morning. Probably have to go again. TMI. But yeah, that's what I had to do. I was love that I'm vlogging in public right now. I don't care. And they don't got no music. But it is background noise. But yeah. I got into my client today, and then after that, and it's not like I've never had clients on a Tuesday, because it's Mars Day. We got energy. We want to be direct, we want to be assertive, and I have Mars in my 10th house, which is my career, and that makes me like more dominant to get like things done, and with my reputation in my career, I just feel excited. Like Mars can manifest like fights and conflict, but for me, or confrontation, I think that's what's going on right now. It's my clients confronting me, but it's something that's like really, it's not that big of a deal to me. I don't know. Like, I don't think I'm looking into like a dispute with a client. I hope not. I'm very caring and just, I'm patient with them. I hope they're patient with me. I just had a conversation with a girl. She was like, things happen, that's okay. I just know I have to come up with a better system of communication, because Square is wild and they want you to pay to reach out to a client through the app. And back then, they was not doing that. It used to be so easy to just tap on your client and go message them. Now, I guess I have to individually reach out to every client when I have to schedule, and that shit is tedious as hell, or I have to pay for it. There's a price either way. How much is it? I think I just have to upgrade it. I'm just like, it's not like an ongoing thing. It's getting too long, and I need storage space for my reading, so y'all, and let us pray and hope that these readings come out accurate too, because that'll be another thing. Like, imagine waiting and it's not what you thought it was gonna be. Like, usually people be waiting and then I get the feedback and they're like, oh my god, yeah, like, yeah. But I'm finished eating. I'll see you guys.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within.